Hi everyone, my name's Cindy and I'm going to show you the 2023 Barbie Cutie Reveal Advent Calendar doll item HJX76 in this video. This is a really great bargain. You get so many things. There's 24 accessories plus the doll, so 25 items altogether. There's color change in this. And there is also a reversible jacket, and I'll show you more details in the pamphlet. This is the pamphlet that comes with it. It shows the front of the box. And then on the back, it shows the different things that you can do. You can dress Barbie up in her cute little reindeer outfit. The jacket is reversible from turquoise to pink with white snowflakes. This is that little head. I guess you could put a pet inside, or it just shows that she turns into a reindeer. Her face is color change with makeup that shows and makeup that fades away in warm water. The same with the pets. Their little faces do color change with warm water. And then this just shows that you use the water and you use the comb to dip it in the water and then rub it on the face or the pets, and the colors will change. So that's what the pamphlet shows. Here's instructions. Colors and decorations may vary. Water needs to be 43 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Fahrenheit in order to work. So here are the things that come with it. Here's the doll. She's pretty. She's got the little, I think it's snowflakes. Yeah, pink snowflakes on her cheeks. Her hair is really beautiful. I'll show you that after I'm done, because I'll have to get her out of the doll stand. She's got a painted on swimsuit or onesie, pink with white snowflakes. Really cute. Here is her comb with the applicator for the water to do the color change. There's her cute little furry turquoise reindeer outfit with the head, the top, and pants. And this is the one that the jacket is reversible. You can see that it's furry pink and white on the other side. You can wear it with this cute little outfit here. It's a pink furry top with a white furry skirt and shiny aqua little scrolls and snowflakes. She's got hooves for her feet and little hooves for her hands for once she turns into the reindeer. She's got a drink with a lot of whipped cream, plate of cookies. Here's her two little pets, little reindeer that has color change on the face, and a pink bear, like a polar bear, that also has color change. And then there's a pet bowl. She's got shoes, white shoes. There's actually 3 different shoes in this set. Those are the white ones. She can wear these pink gem-looking drop earrings. And I love these hoop earrings, big hoop earrings that look like pearls, and a matching pearl headband and necklace. Here's a little gift box that opens. That's hinged. You can put a little gift inside. Here's her dress with fur collar and cuffs at the wrists. Her purse has a gem look on the front. It's like a wrist clutch. And her boots that are tall, pink, with chunky heels and faux fur. It's plastic, white at the top. She also comes with this scarf, fringed, plaid, and these little boots in the back, short boots or ankle boots with a lot of detail and texture, rugged. All the shoes and boots have the signature B on the bottom. And let me turn Barbie around for you so you can see her hair. It's really pretty. They've got it swirled. This is just removed from the package. I haven't done anything to her hair. So, and it doesn't feel greasy. It's nice and soft saran. It's a really nice set and well worth the money. I don't know how much they're going for now, but I'm very glad I have this one. My husband got it for me, and I love it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.